Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the recipe of Ulundu Choru, which is a traditional dish in my district. This is quite famous in Kanyakumari district as well as Tirunelveli. Normally we used to have Ulundu Choru with chicken curry, aviyal or coconut tovayal. It's a healthy dish and without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, take half a cup of whole black urad dal with the skin. I'm cleaning the urad dal with water now. Urad dal takes more time to cook. To speed up the process, I'm going to soak the urad dal in water for half an hour. If you have time, you can soak it for 1 hour as well. After soaking the urad dal for half an hour, take 1 cup of Ponni parboiled rice. For half a cup of urad dal, we need 1 cup of Ponni rice. I have washed the rice and it's ready to be cooked. First, I'm going to cook the urad dal because it takes more time than the rice. I have taken 2 cups of water and adding in the soaked urad dal. Actually, this 2 cups of water is to cook the urad dal, so we'll be adding more water at each stages. Cover it and cook the urad dals. To make Ulundu Choru, we need black urad dal and not the white one. Actually, we can make Ulundu Choru in pressure cooker as well, but we'll get that authentic taste when we make in this method only. We have to half cook the urad dal first before adding the rice, so we shouldn't cook the rice as well as dal together. Well, the urad dal is cooked 50% now and it's time to add the rice. After cooking the urad dal for 15 minutes, you can add in the rice. Now I'm adding in 4 cups of water. Initially I have added 2 cups of water. So totally we have added 6 cups of water. To make Ulundu Choru, we need quite big size of pot because we'll be adding more water. Add in 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Give it a stir and cook it for a couple of minutes. Now add in salt as needed. Cover it and cook the rice and the dal. While the rice is cooking, add in the whole garlic. Well, this garlic gives nice flavor to this rice. You can see now the water is boiling nicely and the dal and the rice is getting cooked. After cooking the rice for half an hour, add in 1 cup of coconut. There is no specific measurement of coconut. You can also add half a cup of coconut if you wish. Well, the rice is half cooked and at this point of time, I'm adding another 2 cups of water. So totally we have added 8 cups of water for 1 cup of rice and half cup of urad dal. Normally we used to make quite sticky type Ulundu Choru and that's why I have added 8 cups of water. The rice and the dal mix are cooked almost 50%. One more thing is that the quantity of water depends on the quality of rice and the dal we take. So do not add 8 cups of water in one go, add in at each stages like the way I am doing. It will take around 7 to 8 cups of water depending on the quality of rice we take. Actually, the skin of the urad dal will crack once it's cooked, so that's how we know that dal is cooked. Actually, Ulundu Choru is quite famous in Kanyakumari district. We won't make it often, but quite sometimes. Look at it friends, the rice and the dal is almost cooked. It took exactly 1 hour for me to cook the rice as well as the dal. Ulundu Choru is ready now, but at this point of time, you'll find it quite sticky. But when it cools down, it will thicken. The delicious, healthy Ulundu Choru is ready now. My Amma is preparing chicken curry to serve it with Ulundu Choru. I'll show a glimpse of it on how she's making chicken curry. In a kadai, we are dry roasting freshly grated coconut and some curry leaf. We have added some cashew-nuts, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, cinnamon, cardamom and 1 teaspoon of couscous. We have to saute it to brown color so that our curry will be dark in color. We have grinded the coconut masala into a fine paste. Here we have diced 2 onions, 1 tomatoes, 1 potatoes and 2 green chilli. This chicken curry goes well with appam, idiyappam, chapati as well as rice. Heat oil in a kadai and add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some curry leaf and the diced onion. Here we have marinated 1.5 kilograms of chicken. For the marinade, we have used 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and some salt. Meanwhile, we have added the diced tomato and the potatoes. Well, the chicken has to be marinated with the masalas for at least half an hour. Now add in the chicken pieces into the onion mix. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Add in the coconut masala paste as well as water as needed. Add in the salt. We have added salt while marinating the chicken, so keep in mind while adding the salt. Well, we have covered it and cooked the chicken for half an hour. The chicken pieces are cooked well, and finally we are adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can see the oils are floating on top and it's almost ready now. We have added some fried red chilli and the curry leaf. We have closed the lid and cooked the chicken curry nicely like this. Add in some coriander leaf as needed. The chicken curry is ready to be served now. Ulundu Choru tastes best with the chicken curry. Avial and coconut tovel also goes well with Ulundu Choru. Do try this Ulundu Choru and chicken curry combo and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.